रिया कुछ बताओ अपने बारे में.
So I'm a psychology student studying in Amity, Noida. Basically, I'm doing my double graduation. The other university is St. Leo's in Florida. So I'm working with them as well as a psychology student. I'm in the 4th year and looking forward for more opportunities like this. I work here as a psychology intern, as a psychologist intern actually.
How you found us?
So I was just randomly, looking for a lot of old age homes because I am very interested to work in a concept and in an organization like this. So I figured out, I just, typed old age home near me, and then this was the best rated one. So then I called you up and you were really welcoming and nice to offer me.
So you have started working with our seniors. So what's
Yeah.
your feedback? Like, what they feel like over here? What's the place like? What is your opinion about us? Because you're already spent a month over
Yes,
here. So
yes.
how it feels like to you? Matlab, what kind of a
So-
place we have built?
Yeah, so it's more like a home, to be honest. Okay, it's a very homely environment. Each and every patient or a old aged person is very different from each other, but thanks to the team we have over here, the experts, when it comes to the medications, therapy, be it any kind of therapy, so you guys provide everything, including tours and a lot of activities to keep them engaged and happy, to make their well-being more, certainly more welcoming for them. Yeah.
Who's your favorite resident over here?
So I have a lot of them. So one is
Amrita Messi.
Yes. Oh, she is one of my favorite. I like Krishna auntie as well. She's very nice. Yeah, she's very welcoming. She feels like home. Yeah, and I have seen there are a lot of cancer survivors, patients who are actually dealing with
Dementia,
these-
people.
dementia, of course.
Yeah.
So they are taken care of really, really nicely, and
Whenever you see somewhere on the wheelchair,
Yeah.
do you feel any that there is any sadness or something over here, or they are just accepted what
Actually,
they are?
Yeah. So I, after taking sessions with them as an intern, as a psychologist, what I observed, they were not very happy. They were actually lonely. But here, when they're engaged, when they have so many people around, when they have a very non-toxic environment around them, so that has actually helped them to recover from the loneliness and the problems they were actually facing. Yeah.
So, like you are, speaking to dementia residents also over
yes.
here. So, what you can do for them? No, क्या तुम कर रहे हो और क्या तुम आगे कर सकते हो उनके लिए?
So, what we can do is, firstly, we have to look for their well-being. The subjective well-being of a person is very important, be it anyone in here, including the employees. And I have seen it's right there. They're happy. We can actually do is, we can help them to recall a lot. We can help them with their memory. We can help them by playing more activities in games and everything, which you guys are already doing. So that's really great. Yeah.
So, any word of advice we want to say? Anything for Gracious Living? And you have promised me that
Yes.
you'll be continuing with us
Yes.
throughout your life,
Yes,
right?
yes.
So, how you came to that decision?
Yes.
And the word of advice for Gracious Living.
So I am grateful to work here, and I was not expecting it. It's more like a break to me for my career. Even I haven't even started one. So I am very thankful and blessed to be a part of this home.
Yeah, thank you so
a
much.
Part of
We
this
are also
community.
blessed to have you.
Yes, and I would be honored to work here. Even if I am working anywhere in the world, I promise I'll stay connected, because it would be an honor to me.
Thank you so much, Riya. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.